Keith, I made sure when my little girl left the house today, I said, you must have a coat. And you cannot wear she has like shoes that are like Crocs, they're like full of holes and waterproof. I'm like, no. My wife was like, no longer seasonally appropriate.
Socks.
It's not.
Must be a socks, yeah.
Yes.
Do they have those little things? Does she have those little things?
Gibbets.
Thank you.
Or I think that's what they're called.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Okay. No.
What?
No, she doesn't have them.
Well, you knew what they were. What word is close to that I always want to call them?
Giblets?
Giblets?
It's part of a turkey. Yeah.
Isn't that part of a turkey?
Yes.
That's great.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't know why but Luke has a couple of those. But yeah, we had a jacket fight this morning, and he's 7 now, so I'm like, dude, fine. Like, he has a sweatshirt on. I was like, if you don't want to wear it,
You're an adult.
yeah. You know what? Take my car and
Fine.
drive to school, okay?
See how you like it.
Get a booster seat to see over the dash and figure it out. All right, we had kind of a gray day today. It was chilly this morning. That's what Chris was trying to go with it, and we did what we usually do. It was in the 20s this morning, so it was chilly. We ended up in the 40s for highs for many of us, and a lot of clouds. And we're between two systems, one offshore, another to our northwest. Sometimes these phase together, and those are some of our best storm systems. That's not going to happen this time, and so we're going to get them one along the coast with some showers here over the next few hours, and then round 2 will come through from the west, and that will be the more substantial burst of showers and some periods of downpours embedded in that, at least around 9, 10, 11, and then eventually midnight over down East Maine. It's not a lot of rain, as I mentioned before. A quarter of an inch or so will probably do it for total rainfall amounts. But then it gets quite windy behind that. So Tuesday is a day where we clear out pretty well along the coastline. We do see some upslope snow showers and rain showers in the mountains, but really what you're going to notice about tomorrow is that wind gusting to the north out of the northwest, 40 to 45 miles an hour, maybe as high as 50. I'm not sure we'll quite get there, but it will be noticeably windy through the day on Tuesday. We'll revisit that in a second. Wednesday, we start with a mixture of sun and clouds, but clouds quickly come in from southwest to northeast. Some showers Wednesday afternoon across the middle part of the state, and then filling in right around sunset. And we settle into some rain overnight Wednesday into early Thursday, but some snow in the mountains, which will be accumulating. So as far as the wind goes tomorrow, again, northwest, it'll be about 40 miles an hour at times, up to 45 miles an hour, enough to have some scattered power outages, I would imagine. It does settle down a bit on Wednesday, but then comes back Wednesday night into Thursday with that next storm system. As far as snow goes, which I haven't had to say, I don't think, this season so far, this snow looks like it's not just summit-based snow. Probably we're getting snow down to some towns like into Rangeley and Carabasset Valley, Kingfield, Eustis, those areas, Berlin, likely to get that down, not just at the high terrain, but an inch or so, possible all the way down to the kind of the base areas, if you will. Stays busy into the weekend. Some questions about Saturday. There's shower chance for sure. The latest European model turned it into an actual rain event on Saturday. I would argue it doesn't matter much either way as far as like if it's going to be showery, we might as well get some actual rain out of it because it's kind of the same result for your life. So we'll watch those 2 wind events. We'll get there and then we'll deal with that storm on Saturday. But really active here, guys. And it feels a little cranked up in the sense that if we catch a cold outbreak the wrong way in the next couple of weeks, I feel like might be seeing snow outside of just the mountains. It just has that like
energy,
amplified kind of look to it. So we'll see how that turns out.
Oh no.
I know.
Get
Bailey's
ready,
first
buckle up.
live shot in the snow. Let's go.
That would be amazing.
fun.
I actually
Yeah.
can't wait for that.
Good.
It'll be good. Thank you.